Welcome to an incredible opportunity at King Saud University. If you are an aspiring PhD student looking for a fully funded scholarship, then this is for you. King Saud University in Riyadh is opening its door to exceptional minds worldwide through the King Saud University Initiative 2025 and 26. This fully funded initiative is designed for individuals with strong academic background and research potential. Backed by Saudi Vision 2030, it aims to boost global scientific collaboration and strengthen the university role as the hub of innovation and excellence. The initiative offers fully funded scholarship to both local and international students pursuing PhD programs at King Saud University. It covers full tuition fees, a generous monthly stipend on campus housing, and health insurance. Students also receive relocation support and may be eligible to work in Saudi Arabia for 1 year after graduation. With world class faculty and modern research facilities, this opportunity creates a dynamic environment for academic and professional growth. King Saud University aims to attract top tier graduate students who are passionate about research and innovation. This initiative not only enhances academic diversity but also nurtures interdisciplinary research, collaboration, and knowledge exchange. Students become part of the vibrant international community that is contributing directly to the future of education, research, and sustainable development in Saudi Arabia and beyond. King Saud University, located in the heart of Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, is opening its door to talented students across the globe. This fully funded initiative aligns with Saudi Vision 2030, a national plan to foster scientific collaboration, innovation, and academic excellence. If you have a strong academic background and a passion for research, King Saud University is ready to welcome you. Now let's talk about what makes this scholarship truly remarkable. King Saud University provides full tuition fee coverage, so you don't have to worry about expenses. You will receive an annual stipend of approximately 14,400 US dollar for living expenses. Free on-campus housing in the vibrant city of Riyadh ensure a comfortable stay. Comprehensive health insurance at university hospital keeps you covered. International students get relocation supports to make their transition smoother. You can even take on part time job opportunities while studying. And after completing your PhD, you will have the chance to work in Saudi Arabia for 1 year. Isn't that amazing? King Saud University offers PhD programs in a wide range of academic fields. These include computer science for tech enthusiasts who want to innovate in AI, cybersecurity, and software development, engineering covering multiple disciplines from mechanical to electrical and beyond. Basic and applied sciences, perfect for researchers interested in chemistry, physics, and environmental sciences. Health and medical sciences, for those looking to make breakthroughs in medical research and healthcare. With world class faculty and cutting edge research facilities, KSU provides an excellent environment for academic growth. Are you eligible for this scholarship? Let's find out. To apply, you must have a master degree from an accredited institution. Your English proficiency must meet one of these requirements. TOEFL IBT minimum 61, IELTS minimum 6, STEP minimum 85. Graduates from the US, UK, Canada, Ireland, Australia, or New Zealand are eligible for a waiver. You must submit two letters of recommendation, a CV with a recent application or patent if applicable. You need a strong statement of purpose explaining your academic and research goals. The GRE is optional unless required by your specific program. Lastly, a personal interview, either virtual or in person, may be required. Ready to apply? Here is how. First, visit the official application portal, register for an account or login. Carefully fill out the application form with all the personal and academic details. Upload the required documents, including your CV, recommendation letters, and statement of purpose. Finally, submit your application before the deadline. The process is simple, but don't wait until the last minute. The application deadline is May 15th, 2025. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to study at one of the most prestigious university in the Middle East. Apply now and take the next step in your academic journey. King Saud University is more than just a place to earn a degree. It's a gateway to cutting edge research, innovation, and global academic collaboration. By joining the prestigious program, you will become part of vibrant international research community that is shaping the future. If you are passionate about research and ready to make a global impact, this scholarship is for you. Don't wait. Take action today and start your journey at King Saud University. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on scholarship and academic opportunities. See you in the next video.